to get ready. Got the perfect style. Oh yeah, get into it. Welcome back. So I'm gonna show you guys some hairstyles, but welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful start to your week. I hope your weekend was amazing. I wanted to do some hairstyles for you with a glueless wig. This wig today is from Ashimaryhair. Of course, Ashimary always come beautifully packaged. I love the presentation every single time. This is what the packaging looks like. They have all their socials on the back. Today's style is a glueless wavy style with highlights, and I'm excited. I know it's going to be so versatile. This is the wig itself. It comes packaged like this. We'll take a look at it. They give you a bag full of goodies, and it will vary from sale to sale. Of course, what you get in your box always comes with a wig cap, an edge band, threw in some cute accessories, love tape for my glueless installs when I don't want to use the adhesives, and extra elastic band. Okay, interesting. Now if you stay tuned till the end, I have a special discount code just for you, and it will save you an extra 25% off of today's style. Stay tuned if you want that code. It's what the wig looks like straight out the box. They've already pre-cut the lace, and as you can see, this is a 360 invisible strap wig. This is the color, and it's super long. I believe this is about 24 inches. Beautiful highlight, brown and blonde. This is what the invisible strap looked like, and as you can see, it does have a comb in the back, and it does also come with strap that you can take in and out for a glueless install. So this is what it'll be like straight out the box. As you can see, you just put it on, adjust the straps in the back with the invisible strap. So I'm just going to adjust it, and the strap on here is pretty thick, and they do have the extra knot right there. I'm going to put the other one on this side also. And then usually what I do is just tuck it underneath and insert the comb. With this lace, you can see that it is transparent. Do is go ahead and just take my hot comb and push this hairline back, and then we're going to melt it. If you're loving my makeup, if you missed last week's video, I showed hair and makeup. So if you want to know how to do the eyeshadow look that I'm wearing in today's video, I'm going to take the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray. I'm going to use this to lay down the lace. Alright, so with this lace, I did notice that I had to really tie it down just because the edge of it was a bit bent. So you can cut it back if you have to, if you ever run into that issue where the lace isn't going down. I feel like this cap is a little bit bigger than the previous one I had. Hopefully when I finish, letting it sit, everything is laying really flat. I will have this wig linked below in the description box, and I will also have the products I like to use, including the melting spray down there in the description box for you all. Be sure to subscribe if you are new here, and also click that like button and share the video. I'm just going to let this sit for about 10 minutes, and then we can get into the hair. This is how the hair looks after I have installed it. As you can see, the hairline looks pretty decent too. You can go and touch it with a little bit of bronzer around the forehead area so that it can blend better if you feel like it's not. So for the most part, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. Look how long this is. Straight out the box, super thick, super curly. So the density is listed as 180%. So this is what 180% look like. You can remove this at the end of the day. You don't have to have it, ooh, this is long. This is so pretty. This is really pretty. And the difference with this one compared to the last color I showed you in the wavy, this one is more golden and brown. The last one I showed you guys last week was more chocolate brown highlight. This one is more golden. Super pretty, super thick. All right, let's style it up and see what we can do. I'm gonna take a bit of hairspray right here. Get rid of the parting. Now this is a 13x4 parting, so it only stops right where you see it right here. You can get rid of that part, so I'm just go ahead and show you guys. All you have to do is just take a hot comb and push it back, or you can just take some hair mousse and push it back. They did put in here these beautiful bows. It will vary from sale to sale what you get in your box. Sometimes they have specials where they put special things inside your boxes, or add this to the back. Here's style number one. I think this is actually cute. Where would you wear this style to? Where are we going with this style? Where are we going? Where are we wearing this style to? So another style you can do with this wig, since it is a 360, is you can pull it into a ponytail. So you might want to flip your head for this, of course. And remember to utilize that comb and pull the straps. Because of the length, I feel like the ponytail works out really well. So when you have a super long wig, it works out really well. Since we're here, we might as well go ahead and just do a bun. Yep, and the hair itself is super lightweight for it to be such a long length. So glad they gave me bobby pins, because y'all know I be searching for these bobby pins everywhere. Never had any. They were also very thoughtful to make them golden black. It kind of matched the hair. I'm just gonna stick a few in there. So you can also do a bun. It's comfortable, it doesn't feel heavy. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it was very helpful and I gave you some ideas for your wig install. Again, this wig will be linked below, and just because you stayed to the end, here is a special discount for you guys. Links will be below in the description box. Be sure to check there. This wig is absolutely gorgeous, super easy to install, and very lightweight to be long, but they do have shorter lengths. And you can get the lace pre-cut or not pre-cut if you want to do it yourself. It doesn't really come with bleach knots. It's okay, I know how to do it. This wig will be linked below. Thank you all so much for joining me back for today's video, and I'll see you in my next video.